Here we come to the elevator at the Psychiatrist Center in Hickory, North Carolina. This is a southern elevator. 2. They're like literally plot levels. Another one. Could be these fixtures. Southern elevator. Installed in 1962. I like that tray lighting. I think I might go for one more ride when I hear the motor. Sounds a big bump, and there's Alex. All right, let's go back down the one end there. I nearly almost hit the alarm by accident. These fixtures look exactly like the one at the Imagination Station Museum in Wilson, North Carolina. Except this is a Westbrook one. This one is a Southern. All right, watch it close.